back, guys. It is it's officially ice season here in Minnesota. It's about 5 o'clock right now. I've only got maybe an hour or so, but I thought I'd come out to a local lake, see if I can't catch something here. I was out maybe 2 days ago and ended up catching a bunch of really nice perch. So just drilled a hole. I'm gonna drop down a bait here and see if we can't catch some. Well, it's kind of hard to tell because all the snow I've got in here, but I think I'm marking a few fish right there close to the bottom. So we'll see if we can catch some on the first hole. I'm gonna start out with just this little tiny flutter spoon. When I was out here the other day, I had waxies and they were eating the bait even without the wax worm on there. Oh yeah, we got a fish on, boys. First. Let's go. Barely even got down there. Not quite a keeper, but that is a nice little early ice perch. We'll get him right back. All right, let's drop back down. See if we can't catch another one here. Really shallow, probably only 4 feet of water. Let's see. Oh, yep, there we go. Watched him come up for it. Oh, just a tiny one. There we go, just a little guy. Get him right back. There's a bunch of fish down there, but it's just being finicky. Okay, well, caught 3 fish out of this hole. Nothing very big, so I think I'm gonna move a little deeper. I'm only in like 4 feet of water right now, and I was catching big ones at about 6. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, we're getting some nice marks for sure. Let's see if they want to eat. Looks like we're in about, yeah, it's about 6 feet of water. And then about 4 before. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Not what we're looking for, but hey. Fish the fish. Just a little tiny perch. All right. Oop. All right, there he goes. Let's see, we got any? Oh, yep, a couple more down there. Let's see here. There we go. Not a huge one. We'll take it. Bud. Ooh, I got smashed on the way down. All right, well, there's a big one down there. I'm going to go grab my wax worms, I think. Got my spoon tipped with a little wax worm there. Drop it down. See if anybody wants to play. Ooh, I'm already getting, oh yeah, I got a bunch of fish on me. Waxworm was the play. There we go. There we go. There we go. I like that. That's the size I'm looking for today. Come on. I know there's bigger ones in here. Oh! Ripped it right out of his mouth. It's probably a little bit of an overzealous hook set, I suppose. Come on. Ooh. Oh, dude, there's fish all over it. My screen is solid red, but they just don't want to eat. Come on. There we go. Not a tiny one, not a big one. Send it right. Oh, wrong way, buddy. There he goes. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but the bottom of the lake is right there. It's just solid fish from like 6 to 4 feet or so. Oh, come on. Look at that fin. Angry little guys. I don't know, raffle. Let's see if we can get a bigger one here. Oh, dang it. I had a giant, holy cow. That was a big one, but he got all tangled up in the transducer. Shoot. That was a big perch for sure. Ooh, just got bit. There we go. It's like half the size of the one I just had on. Bright yellow fins. I love perch so much. Maybe the biggest one. He's probably, I don't know, maybe 7 inches, 7.5. I think that's it. It's getting dark here. Caught a few nice fish. My hands are cold. Oh. I only had about 45 minutes or so, so I'm just happy I can come out, catch a few perch, and dip. Well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get off the lake here. Thank you everyone for watching. Sorry about the lack of uploads. I'm hoping to get out in the ice more and hopefully catch some decent fish. Got a few cool trips planned. And I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.